Okay, so Ember has been saving up her money for a very long time, and she's already unboxed it on me. What is it? Yeah, you have been working and doing jobs for this for such a long time.
Wait, how is it here already?
Well, it already came. And I was just saving it until she had earned enough money. She's been putting money into her Rapunzel piggy bank here. And she finally got enough money. So I paid for it. Now you can give me all that money. And this is what you got.
They're a little big though. Their heads are big, but it's fine.
Pretty cool. It's Rapunzel like she wanted. And Rapunzel's got a friend too.
That's Rapunzel. It's like normal Rapunzel. Oh wait, is it?
Not that late. Still like it.
That's
Rapunzel and who?
Tiana. Looks like it.
Yeah. It even says Tiana on there.
Tiana looks weird when she doesn't have a crown on. It looks like they're like normal people. They're like princesses, but normal people.
Yeah.
Like
Because, yeah, she's wearing a sweatsuit and Tiana's wearing like jeans and a t-shirt, so they're not dressed like princesses.
Ember?
Oh, no, it's back. Alright. So, should we open the box?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you already got and Ember. So you tell them all the princesses there, and if you can't figure it out, if you can't figure one out, I might be able to figure it out. Okay. There's Anna. Yeah. Awala. Yeah. Moana. Light. Yeah. Elsa. You said Tiana. Mary. No, that's Brave.
Yeah, but she has a name too.
And that
I don't
girl,
know that one.
she's from Wreck-It Ralph.
Okay, so then Ralph Breaks the Internet
Yeah.
is probably the sequel of that.
Yeah.
Oh, there's some more.
Belle. I don't know.
Pocahontas, maybe?
Yeah, Pocahontas, Ariel, Rapunzel, Jasmine. Ariel kind of looks weird. Yeah.
Mulan and then Cinderella.
Mulan.
Alright, you gonna open the box?
It's Mulan.
Are you happy that you saved all of her money for her? Yes,
There
I
was
am.
more in there.
Well, I haven't taken it from her yet. We counted it all out and she just needed 2 more. And so we did 2 loads of laundry. And now she got it.
And the soap.
And the silverware. Yeah. Maybe you want to try and help her. I think it's going to go on the side here like this. You're going to need to go through the side like this.
No, wait, I have a special trick that you can do, and I'm not actually going to open it. But if you ever see these sides, usually open it from up here. And then, like, pull it up. Snip. Now you look. They need some snippies too. Nope. Yeah, they do. They're snipped.
Behind there.
Yeah.
They're probably
Here, I
attached
can help
here.
with that.
Maybe try at the back so we don't cut hair or anything.
Yeah. Because that would be bad.
Mm-hmm.
It's funner at the front, but the back is safer.
Yeah.
Whoa, take her out. I think it's her head that's, no, her neck is stuck. And her, and a hand. Right. There, take her out now.
Yay!
Move. Hey, do this, girl. Oh, there's cups too. Hey! There's her. Wow. She can move everywhere except her feet. Yeah, well, not really Barbie's. Rip. Rip. Don't rip it. Rip.
And then just cut those. Oh, that's cool. Her hair goes through her hood.
Oh, wow, that's cool. They must have designed that. Wherever she bought wherever she bought that sweater from, she must have bought it from a long hair company.
Mm-hmm. Well, we saw this on the Toys R Us website.
No, I thought Toys R Us closed down.
Not in Canada.
No, they just cut it.
But yeah, we got her from Toys R Us. We saw it on the website because Aaliyah broke their other Rapunzel. We had to do surgery on her.
But it could also say stop.
Yeah.
Ooh,
And so, since the old Rapunzel's broken, now we have a new Rapunzel.
And
Yeah, that's cool.
what is happening? Her hair is like very. Okay. Her hair is. She's not gonna do anything. Well, by the way, she could use some of my old dresses
Who?
because she's very big.
Oh, do you think she'll fit in the other Rapunzel's clothes?
Maybe.
Let's look at Tiana. Ooh, I love her hair. It's big and curly and cool.
I don't like it. I
Oh,
don't like her hair, but I do like her skin.
yeah. Well, maybe just her hair's a bit poofy. We can pull it back a bit.
She can really run.
Yeah, she's so flexible.
Yeah. I like her.
Wait.
shoes. I like her shoes and jeans.
Okay.
Hey, look. They designed the couch on here.
Oh, yeah. It looked like they were sitting and chilling on the couch.
Yeah, but seriously, but it looked like Rapunzel was just standing on the floor.
Mm-hmm. And then one of them has a drink like this.
This one,
They both have a drink.
And then the other one is a different looking drink, like an ice cream or something. There
Yeah,
it
it's
is.
an ice cream. This is my ice cream.
this one is mine because
Yeah,
um
because it's yours.
Because you saved your money for this. We're going to have to watch this new movie, Ralph Breaks the Internet, because it's probably pretty cool.
I've already watched it. But yeah, it is really cool.
Hi, Tiana.
hey, Tiana.
This thing doesn't even fit in her hand. How curiously.
Yeah, I bet you it would.
Get in
On
those
her thumb.
finger holes.
Do it on her thumb, the other way.
Sometimes I do it on the pinky, but I can't do that.
Yeah, like that.
Could you get it?
I think we have to do it on her thumb, like this.
I was doing it on.
Oh. Tiana is ditching this ice cream. Tiana does not like the ice cream.
How could that be a person in?
There. Now she's got her drink.
How could
Looks like some
there
sort of
be-
a frosty.
How could there be
Cool shoes.
two roommates and no persons?
Roommates are so cute.
I need a good close-up of you, Rapunzel. Wow, are you ever smiling happy? You got such big eyes.
And she's also looking good.
And you have really long, shiny hair.
It is golden.
I wonder if you could change shoes with your friend Tiana. I bet you could change outfits and shoes because you're about the same size.
Wait. Tiana wants to show you one of her greatest tricks that she's been practicing for a long time. Like this.
Whoa. That was
Oh,
a
did
great
you like-
finale.
Yeah.
The dive.
Did you like it?
I liked it.
I didn't like it. Because see that.
That's mean.
Hmm.
Rapunzel, this is what you get for not liking my trick.
I feel like we could cut these off and use them for something, like put them
Like,
over
ooh,
there.
they're roommates.
Well, no, but we can put them over a door. If you guys are roommates in the house, maybe you can cut them and stick them on your door or on your furniture.
Well, there are no doors.
True. That is true. All right. So, are you happy with your new Rapunzel doll and Tiana doll?
Yes, I'm assuming
Good.
she is.
Cool. And you're a good supportive big brother. Yeah. Okay, bye.